Okay, red flag warning for the mountains. Red flag warning means gusty winds and drought conditions up there in the mountain, and you can see in the mountain area shaded in red. Wind alert, wind advisory for Crossville, Jamestown, Huntersville, The Follett, Rockwood, Spring City, Wartburg, Oak Ridge. High wind warning for the high top of the mountains. High wind warning. Winds will gust up. Will be gusting up to 25 or 40 miles per hour. Gust of 70 in their area. 45 is the gust. 15 or 25 miles per hour. Again, we have a high wind watch, turning to a warning actually. Well, yeah, maybe, yeah. Again, a high wind watch is in effect. I bring y'all the latest updates with this. Now, now I'm gonna show you this map. I will show y'all again later. Again, you can see wind will be gusting up in the mountains. Thanks for watching. I bring y'all the latest. I will bring y'all the latest in our live broadcast later on this evening. Stay safe and enjoy the rest of your week, your Thanksgiving week.